Hello people, this is the Britonics. What?
No, do it again, sorry.
Hello people, this is the Britonics.
As you can see, we are in a different background. Yes, we've actually got a rehearsal room for once and not in the bedroom. And we have got some more exciting news. As we've been telling you, as we've been saying, new year, new Britonics, and there's a new addition to the band, as in a new member. And we'd like to introduce our very own Tommy. There we go. There we go, he's behind the kit there. So yes, we have got our new member, Tommy, here. He's on the sticks. What have you got to say for yourself, Tommy?
I'm really excited to be a member of the Britonics, and I'm really happy to have this opportunity.
We did hold him at gunpoint for this saying as well. So
I'm here against my will.
Yeah, but yeah, so he's a new member. You'll be seeing some new demos from us. We're doing one, What You're Gonna Do Boy, which you've seen a teaser for. And I mean a real teaser, about 3 seconds of it, but that's fine. You know, you've got to wait and be patient. And we have got another song. What's it called, Reese?
Keep what you got.
Keep What You Got. That's it. And Reese is also singing that one as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's it. And Tom, he is playing on the drums for that one. So it should sound good, you know, he says. But anyways, you'll be letting us know in them comments, and make sure to follow to keep updated.
And you'll be liking and subscribing as well.
You will
Yes,
be.
it'll be.
You will be. I told you so.
Do it.